This is an installation demonstration of an OptiFinder sensor. First step, make sure that the surface where you plan to place the sensor is clean. Wipe the spot with a cloth and a regular cleaning solution. Second step, get your sensor out of the packaging and prepare it for an installation. Your sensor consists of a sensor head, a splice box, and sensor connectors. Third step, clean the sensor head. Get a special tissue for optical components. And use IPA, isopropyl alcohol. Then thoroughly clean the sensor head. Step 4. Apply a pea size of silicone gel. For permanent installation, put a small amount of gel directly on the sensor head. Remember, a small amount is more than enough for a secure installation. Then find a spot you want to place the sensor on. Place the sensor on the clean surface, applying light pressure. Fix the sensor by placing a magnetic clamp on top of the sensor head. Congrats! Your sensor is securely installed now. This is how you install an OptiFinder sensor in 5 simple steps. Brought to you by Optics 11.